Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Students, we will start our day with our moral lesson, and the moral lesson for today is always respect and listen to your elders. Students, we should respect and listen to our elders very carefully. Students, our success is not only based on our hard working or on our intelligence. Respect is the very important factor in our success. If we respect our elders, we will gain a success in every phase of our life, not only in our school or in our college. In every phase of life, we will get a respect if we respect our parents, if we respect our teachers, if we respect our elders. And we can use many of the gestures by showing a respect to our elders. Like this one, this girl is showing a respect to her dadi by opening a door, and this boy is also showing a respect to her dadi by helping her to walk. You can also use many of the gestures to show a respect to your elders. Now come with me, we are going to discuss our topic, and the topic of discussion for today is types of reflection. Students, before going towards the reflection, we should know about the proper definition of reflection, as we have discussed the reflection and the further detail of the reflection in our previous lectures, but we will also discuss this in briefly in our today's lecture. Students, reflection is the when a light ray fall on any surface, it reflects back into the same medium. This is known as the reflection. Or when a light ray bounce back into the same medium, this is known as the reflection. So now come with me, we will discuss the types of reflection. Students, there are two types of reflection. One is a regular reflection and other one is a diffused reflection. Students, what is the regular reflection? In a regular reflection, parallel incident rays of light are reflected at the same angle from the surfaces. Students, these are the parallel rays. When a parallel rays fall on any surface that is smooth, it reflects back by making a same angle, by making an angle that is equal to the incident angle. These reflected rays forming an angle that is equal to the incident angle. And in the diffused reflection, when a parallel ray is falling on any rough surfaces, it reflects back in a different directions, as you can see in these slides. Come with me, we will discuss the detail. Regular reflection, when a light ray fall on a mirror, steel plate, smooth floor, tiles, etc., it reflected regularly. How it can be possible? Students, listen carefully. जब भी किसी स्मूथ सरफेस पे पैरेलल रेजेस रिफ्लेक्ट करती हैं, it reflects back into the same manner, into a very regular manner, because the surface is very smooth. स्टूडेंट्स, जब आप मिरर में देखते हो आपको अपना रिफ्लेक्शन शो होता है, लेकिन जब आप वॉल पे देखते हो आपको अपना रिफ्लेक्शन शो नहीं होता. वाई? क्यों नहीं शो होता? बिकॉज नज़र तो आपको वॉल भी आती है ना, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आपको वॉल नज़र नहीं आती. लाइट वहाँ पे फॉल करती है, ठीक है, और रिफ्लेक्ट बैक भी होती है, लेकिन आपको अपना रिफ्लेक्शन क्यों नहीं शो होता उधर? वो इसलिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो फिनोमेना हो रहा है दैट इज़ अ रिफ्लेक्शन फिनोमेना, बट ऑफ अ डिफरेंट टाइप. रिफ्लेक्शन डिपेंड ऑन दी सरफेस, ठीक है, यानी किस सरफेस पे वो रिफ्लेक्शन हो रही है उसकी टाइप उस पर डिपेंड करती है. सो रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन जो है वो मिरर पे हो रही है. मिरर इज़ अ वेरी स्मूथ सरफेस एंड इट ऑल्सो हैपन ऑन अ वेरी शाइनी सरफेस, बिकॉज शाइनी सरफेस इज ऑल्सो वेरी स्मूथ. You can see here, this is the water and this water is very smooth because it is in a resting position. So you can see the reflection. You can see na, you can see the reflection. Here is the regular reflection, so you can see the reflection of the mountain, the trees and the sky also. You can see here, when a light ray falling on any smooth surface, कोई भी हो सकती है वो, ठीक है, when a parallel light rays is falling on any smooth surfaces, it reflects back in a very same manner, in a very regular manners. This is called regular reflection. And what is the meaning of diffused reflection? When a light falls on a very rough surfaces, it reflected regularly. जैसे कि मैंने अभी बात की, when a light fall on a wall, हमें रिफ्लेक्शन शो होनी चाहिए ना, क्योंकि रिफ्लेक्शन का फिनोमेना हो रहा है, तो फिर उस वॉल पे हमें अपना रिफ्लेक्शन क्यों नहीं शो होता? वो इसलिए शो नहीं होता बिकॉज द सर्फेस ऑफ द वॉल इज़ अ रफ. Some of the surfaces are rough, but we cannot see. We can see by the help of a microscope that the surface is a rough. So it shows the phenomena of reflection, but which of the type? डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन. डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन का फिनोमेना वहाँ पे होता है, रिफ्लेक्ट करती है, एंगल बनता है, लेकिन वो जो एंगल होता है वो डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस में बनता है. कैसे? कम विद मी. लाइक दिस वन. दिस इज़ अ वेरी rough surface. When a light ray fall on this surface, it reflects back but in a different directions, making a different angles. You can see it reflects back but making a different angles. But students, question is there, is it showing the phenomena of reflection? It is following the phenomena of laws of reflection. Yes, these are following the laws of reflection, that angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. How? You can see when a light ray fall on this surface and this one also, here is the surface is not smooth. So the angle that it's making is different, but that angle is equal to the this ray. यू कैन से दैट कि जब लाइट रे इस पे फॉल करती है, इस रे पे फॉल किया लाइट ने, वो डिफरेंट एंगल तो बना रही है, बट जो वो एंगल बना रही है रिफ्लेक्टेड रे का, वो इंसिडेंट के इक्वल ही है. उस रे का जो एंगल होगा वो इंसिडेंट के ही इक्वल होगा. सो इट फॉलोइंग द लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, बट द surface is not smooth. That's why we are not clear about that. I am going to give a clear view that you can see here that the surface is not surface is not smooth, surface is a rough. That's why they are reflecting the rays but in a different directions. Like this one, here the water is not in a static position, water is not in a smooth position, the water is showing the phenomena of waves, they are moving, so the reflection is blurred. Come with me. We are going to discuss the applications of a regular and the diffuse reflection in our daily life. Students, you know what? We can see all the non-luminous objects. You can see na non-luminous objects. All living things can see a non-luminant object due to refraction of light. हम लाइट की रिफ्लेक्शन के फिनोमेना की वजह से सब चीज़ों को देखते हैं, लेकिन सब चीज़ों में हम रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं, यानी अपना जो रिफ्लेक्शन है वो नहीं देख पाते. वाई? क्यों होता है? बिकॉज द सर्फेस इज नॉट स्मूथ. You can see here it's showing the regular reflection. Images and reflection from the mirror and the water surfaces are due to regular reflection because the surface is smooth. मिरर की सरफेस स्मूथ होती है, वाटर स्मूथ सरफेस पे है, इसलिए यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्शन का फिनोमेना हो रहा है एंड दैट टाइप इज अ रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन. यू कैन सी द वॉल. Here the surface is not smooth. When a light ray fall on this surface, it reflects back the light but in a different directions. That's why we cannot see our reflection on the wall. You can see mirror is the very common and the best example for the regular reflection because mirror surface is very smooth. We can see our reflection clearly. We can see our reflection on the mirror very clearly. We are using in our daily life the mirror at a blunt corners. These also showing the phenomena of a regular reflection. And this is a optical testing machine. This is also having a phenomena of a regular reflection. Here is the lens. This one is the lens and it's showing the phenomena of a regular reflection. When it see from here, when a light fall on this direction, it reflects back on the same medium and it's forming an angle that is equal to the angle of incident. That's why we can say that optical testing is also the example of a regular reflection. Okay, and many of the examples are involved in a regular reflection, but keep in your mind, regular reflection is the reflection in which the surfaces must be smooth, the surface must be shiny, because on the rough surface the reflection is not a regular, it will be a rough, or we can say that it will be a diffused reflection. Okay, hope you will understand all these points clearly. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.